6 months from now, your life will look exactly the same, unless you do one small thing every single day. Not motivation, not talent, not luck. One daily decision decides whether you level up or stay stuck. Every day starts with a choice. It feels small, almost invisible. Do you react to the world, or do you control the day? Most people react. They let the day happen to them. And slowly, days turn into years. Same age, same starting point, same potential. One wastes 30 minutes daily. The other invests 30 minutes daily. No difference today, no difference next week. Time doesn't judge. It multiplies habits. Your biggest enemy isn't failure, it's distraction. Messages, social media, noise. Every distraction steals focus. Every lost focus steals progress. Fast growth requires silence. Here's the habit that changes everything. 1 hour a day, no phone, no multitasking, not all day, just one focused hour. Consistency beats intensity. Every time. Comfort feels good today. Discipline feels uncomfortable today. But comfort steals your future. Discipline pays interest. Daily. That's how people grow faster than everyone else. People overestimate motivation and underestimate systems. 1 hour a day becomes 30 hours a month. 6 months later, you're no longer average. They'll call it luck. While others complain, you practice. While others wait, you build. Progress is quiet. Results are loud. That's the difference. Here's the truth. 6 months isn't a long time, but it's long enough to leave your old self behind. One focused hour a day beats years of excuses. No one is coming to save you. This habit is the upgrade. But here's the twist. You already know this. The reason most people won't change isn't lack of information. It's the decision you make after this video ends. 6 months from now, you'll remember this moment.